So it was recently brought to my attention that my truck has a cabin air filter. I've looked before and didn't see it when I had my Suburban, which is also a GMT 800. But I did find, or was sent a video, I should say, and it says that the cabin air filter is in here, and there's, I think, like a 7/32 bolt somewhere right there, and then this will come off, and then there should be 2 cabin air filters in there, which looks like there is. So let me see that real quick. We'll take those off and see what's in there. All right, so this came off. It was held on by one 7/32 bolt. This cover here is 3 9/32. I just left this right here because I was being lazy to remove that last one over there. It's like kind of threaded in, but it was being a pain. So this goes in like that. Get the lining better. Okay, so there's the second filter there. Not too bad. I have replaced the blower motor and I completely missed that. So the blower motor was replaced about 2 years ago. So this filter actually is pretty bad. I've seen worse, but it's definitely not new. And the second filter there, not good at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these ordered up and replace those. So overall, pretty quick and easy. Like I mentioned, it's a bolt there, one in the middle in the back area, one there. It does come down. There's that bolt that holds the filters in. Filters come out, remove, replace. Pretty simple and easy to get to. So hopefully this helped you guys.